Subramanian. He is a 10-year-old fifth grader at Woodbrook Elementary School. He has been initiated to the art of Harikatha, musical discourses by his mother, cum guru, Srimati Kavita Narayanan. She also is here. Karthik has influence and legacy to carry this art in Tanjavur Pani. Like his grandmother, Kalaimamani Srimati Vaijayanti Mala Narayanan, who is an eminent AAR graded Harikatha exponent and a disciple of Embar Sri Vijayaraghavacharya. Karthik has been learning Carnatic music from the age of 4. From 4 years, he learned the fundamental nuances and vocal exercises from Srimati Bhavani Prakash and Sri Prakash Rao. For the past 2 years, he has been learning Carnatic vocal from Vidwan Tiruvarur S. Girish, who is the grandson and direct disciple of legend Srimati T. Brinda of Veena Dhanamal lineage. We welcome him here. I think, there's a long introduction to him, but let me stop with this, and we welcome him, and we are looking forward to a great Harikatha from him. The topic for the day is Harinama Mahime, and he's going to be speaking for about, I think, an hour and a half. 2 hours?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Hour and
45 minutes. An hour and 45 minutes. On the violin, we have Vishesh Uppur. Is that correct? Last name? Vishesh Uppur. He is a 10th grader in the Magnet program at Richard Montgomery High School in Rockwell, Maryland. He's very passionate about music. He learns Carnatic violin from Sri Subhash Minjamuri of Springfield, Virginia. He also learns Carnatic vocal from Sri Malladi Ravi Kumar and Srimati Malladi Nagalakshmi. I think this is his first time here. We welcome him. And Nikhil Murray, he's a senior at North Brunswick Township High School. He's been learning Mridangam for 10 years now. He started with Sri Prakash Rao and later started training with Sri Tiruvarur Vaidyanathan. He has been playing in several concerts. I think this is probably his 3rd or 4th time playing for the Navaratri season. We welcome him back. Looking forward to a great program, and we'll get started soon. Thanks.
जानकी कांत स्मरणं जय जय राम राम गोपिका जीवन स्मरणं गोविंद गोविंद श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम राम 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 ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलास्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीयग्रीवम् उपास्महे नादोपासना चे शंकर नारायण विदुलु वेलसिरी ओ मनसा वेलसिरी ओ मनसा श्रीकण्ठं इव भास्वन्तं हरिनामपरायणं श्रीधरं वेङ्कटनाथं कनकाबकाम सदृशम् पालं त्रिपुत्राङ्गितम् श्री रघुनाथ नाम सुदया आर्द्रा सकृतादारया चेतसि अम्बुजलोचनो यदुपतिः कीर्लति अलम् राधया तं वै वेङ्कटरामदेशिकवरम् सर्वात्मना अहं भजे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण नाम भक्तिः प्रजायते स्मरणमात्रेण नाम भक्तिः नाम भक्तिः प्रजायते तं नमामि यतिश्रेष्ठं बोधेन्द्रं जगतां बोधेन्द्रं जगतां गुरुमाशये बोधेन्द्रं जगतां गुरुमाशये भोगमोक्षसिद्धये जगतां गुरुमाशये बोधेन्द्रं जगतां गुरुमाशये भोगमोक्षसिद्धये जगतां गुरुमाशये बोधेन्द्रं रामाख्यापति विहार विलोलम् रामाख्यापति विहार विलोलम् रामाख्यापर पोषणशीलम् रामाख्यापर पोषणशीलम् रामाख्याभूत किल्पिषजालम् रामाख्याभूत किल्पिषजालम् रामाख्यागजननितगानम् रामाख्यागजननितगानम् मोदेन्द्रं जगतामुरुनाशये भोगमोक्षसिद्धये जगतामुरुनाशये मोदेन्द्रं कमलासन हरिशंकर रूपम कमलासन हरिशंकर रूपम कमलासुत सदा सुंदर रूपम कमलासुत सदा सुंदर रूपम विमलासय गृह परमणि दीपम विमलासय गृह परमणि दीपम विमतवनालक कीर्ति कपालम विमतवनालक कीर्ति कपालम हरिहर वेदम कारतीयम हरिहर वेदम कारतीयम हरिहर रूपम चारितमारम हरिहर रूपम चारितमारम हरिशर्काजितमानूरम हरिशर्काजितमानूरम हरगोविन्द पुरालयदारम हरगोविन्द पुरालयदारम गोविन्द्रं जगदामुरुनाशये भोगमोक्षसिद्धये जगदामुरुनाशये गोविन्द्रं Just like how the Carnatic music was propagated and socialized to us by the trinities called the Murtigal, Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar, Sri Tyagarajar and Sri Shyamasasrigal. Likewise, we have equivalent Sri Samanamana trinities who propagated Bhagavan Nama in the form of Nama Sankirtanams. They are Sri Bodhendra, Sadguru Swamigal and Sridhara Ayyavar. They are called the Trinities for Dakshina Bhajana Sampradaya Nama Sankirtanam. These Mahans spread the Bhagavan Nama Siddhantas. In Tritayuga, Tretayuga, Dwaparayuga and Kaliyuga, Shripatiyana Bhagavan was able to only destroy and kill asuras and dushtas such as Hiranyakashipu, Ravanan and Kamsan. But God himself was not able to correct their mistakes and help them live good lives. Maybe which is why in this Kali Yuga we have Mahans and Maharishis to inculcate Bhakti Marga and to drive us in the correct path as in our Vedas, Shastras, in our Sanatana Dharma. It is believed that Deva Manushya Rupinam, God is in the form of mankind. Devarshinam Narta. Nardar as Purandardasar, Sri Valmiki as Sri Tyagarajan, Sri Adishankaran as Sri Mahaperiyava, Sri Vedavyasar as Hanuman, Bhimasenan and Madhvacharya, Shankarshana as Adisheshan, Balaraman, Lakshmanan and Sri Ramanujan. அந்த வரிசையில Sri Bodhendra, Sadguru Swamigal and Sridharayyavar by doing their Nitya Samskaras propagated Bhagavan Nama Mahime in the form of Sankirtanams. With the blessings of Acharyas, elders and my parents, today's Pravachanam is about Harinama Mahime. I will be speaking about the importance of Rama Nama and the Kali Yuga Dharma, which is Nama Sankirtanam. And being Devi Navaratri, I will also speak about Kayar in the context of Matru Devo Bhava. I will attempt to present this Harikatha as per my Yatha Shakti and Yatha Buddhi by quoting verses from Sri Bhagavatam and anecdotes from our Puranas. Most of my conversation will be in English, but at times I will speak in Tamil to bring out the essence of the words. Kuratalvar from Sri Vaishnavam says, Lakshmi Natha Samarambam, Natha Yamuna Madhyamam, Asmattacharya Paryantam. This means that Guru Parampara starts with Lakshmi Natha. Who is Lakshmi Natha? Sri Mahavishnu. Then in the middle comes sages such as Natha Muni, Yamuna Muni, Natha Yamuna Madhyamam in between. Kuratalvar then smartly concludes by saying that he seeks all the blessings from Gurus starting at present, Asmat. Likewise, I seek the blessings from all my Gurus, starting from my kindergarten teacher, my music teacher, and my Amma as my Harikatha Guru. Asmatacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. Adishari, why do we need to chant Rama Nama, Krishna Nama? What are the benefits? Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Shri Rama Nama Varanane. Rama Namam sonna adu nammala rakshikumaam because it is a Janma Rakshaka mantram. Rama Namamu Rama Namamu Janma Rakshaka mantram Rama Namamu Janma Rakshaka mantram Rama Namamu Janma Rakshaka mantram Kama Samudhayate Bhajam Bhavet Manasa Rama Namamu. Rama Namam sonna ஞானம் கிடைக்குமா? ஞான ஸ்வரூப மந்திர ஞான ஸ்வரூப மந்திர ராமச்சந்திர ஞான ஸ்வரூப மந்திர ராமச்சந்திர ஞான ஸ்வரூப மந்திர ராமச்சந்திர தியாகராஜ ஸ்ரீதர் ராமச்சந்திர அகல்யாவுக்கு ராமர் பாதம் பட்டு சாப விமோச்சனம் ஆச்சோ அந்த கிருபையை சொல்றார். ஸ்ரீராம பாதமா நீ கிருபஜாலுனே, ஸ்ரீராம பாதமா நீ கிருபஜாலுனே, ஸ்ரீராம பாதமா நீ கிருபஜாலுனே, சீதா
அது மட்டுமா, ராம நாமம் சொன்னா ஸ்ரீராம தர்சனமே கிடைக்குமா? ஒரு நாள் தியாகராஜரோட அப்பா நீ கோட்டி ராம நாமம் சொல்லுன்னு சொன்னாராம். உடனே தியாகராஜன் மத்தியானம் ராம தியானம் செய்ய ஆரம்பிச்சாராம். அவர் கவுண்டு வச்சுக்கலையாம், அவர் அப்பாவும் கவுண்டு வச்சுக்கலையாம். ஆனா ஸ்ரீராமர் கவுண்டு வச்சிருந்தாராம். ஒன் டே ஸ்ரீ தியாகராஜரோட டோர் யாரோ நாக் பண்ணாராம். யாருன்னு பார்த்தா அவர் யாரை பார்த்தா
द्वादश मासम नवमे तिथि शुक्ल पक्षम कर्कट लग्नम कटक राशि पुनर्पूस नक्षत्रोड பிறந்த சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ராமர் விஸ்வாமித்ர யாக சம்ரக்ஷண கோலத்தோட காட்சி தந்தாராம். இப்போ பாடுறார் ராரா தேவாதி தேவா ராரா தேவாதி தேவா ராரா மானு பவா ராரா ராஜீவ நேத்ரா ரகுவர் புத்ர बालकनकमय शील सुजन परिवाल कनकमय शील सुजन परिवाल कनकमय शील सुजन परिवाल कनकमय भगवान नामा ராமாங்கிற ரெண்டு அக்ஷரம் இல்லைன்னா பஞ்சாட்ச மந்திரமான நமச்சிவாய நாம் இல்லையா, அஷ்டாட்ச மந்திரமான ஓம் நமோ நாராயணமும் இல்லையா. பல்வேறு மகான்கள் by chanting Bhagavan Nama with Sharanagati and attained moksha. இதேதான் சத்குரு தியாகராஜரும் சொல்றார். शिवमन्त्र मोनपु जीवमु मंत्र मोनपु जीवमु विवरणु तेलिसिना कनुलकु प्रोकेता वितरण गुण त्यागराज विनुत यवरणी. இது பேருக்கும் பொருந்துமா. My name is Karthik Subramanian. If you remove the aksharas Ra and Ma, my name will sound like Katti Subayan. கேட்கவே ரொம்ப பயங்கரமா இருக்கே. ராம நாமத்திலே நிறைய நாமம் இருக்கு. ஷடக்ஷரி, திரையோதசாட்சரி and ராம காயத்ரி. ஸ்ரீராம் ஜெய ராம் ஜெய ஜெய ராம்ங்கிற மந்திரத்தை 13 கோடி தடவை சொல்லி சமஸ்த ராமதாசர் ஸ்ரீ ஆஞ்சநேயரை தரிசனம் பண்ணாராம். ராம நாமம் எப்படி சொல்லணும்னு தெரியுமா? நாபீஸ்ருத் கண்டரசனா நாபீஸ்ருத் கண்டரசனா Nabina stomach, Ritna hridayam heart, Kanta means throat. ரான்னு சொல்லும்போது பேட் தாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வெளியில போய் அக்ஷரம் வாயை லாக் பண்ணி குட் தாட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறதாம். In this mantra, if you observe my lips, apadam apahataram dataram sarva sampatam ramam shriramam puyo puyo namamyamam Shri Ram Ram புலம்புறார். I have chanted 100 crores of Ramanama and I have been thinking of you 365 days, cross 24/7, and yet you hesitate to protect me. Anupama guna mudi, anupama guna mudi, anupama guna mudi, eni ninnu nedanam sanchina vadani, anupama guna mudi. When we chant namas and mantras, we should try to understand the artham, or else it will become anartham. We should chant with bhakti, illena vibhakti aiduma. Shri Tyagarajan is well versed in his Bhasha Gnana Prayogam. Charnathla vaarthe paarugo. Janaka jamatavai, Janaka jamatavai. வார்த்தை ஒண்ணு, ஸ்பிளிட் வேற, அதனால அர்த்தம் வேற. ஜாமாதா மீன்ஸ் மாப்பிள்ளை. இங்க ஜனகருக்கு மாப்பிள்ளை யாரு? ஸ்ரீராமர். மற்றொரு ஸ்பிளிட், ஜனக மாதாவை. மாதானா பூமி மாதா. இங்க சீதா தேவியோட அம்மாவை சொல்ற. இதற்கு இன்னொரு அர்த்தமும் இருக்கு. சீதா ஸ்வயவரம் என்று ஜனகர் ஒரு சேலஞ்ச் வச்சார். ஜெயிக்கிறவா ஜனகருக்கு ஜாமாதா, தோக்கிறவா ஜனக ஜாமாதான்னு நினைச்சுக்கணுமா. அப்பேற்பட்டது ஸ்ரீ தியாகராஜரோட பாஷா ஞானம். Whenever we are in deep sorrow, we may have people say, என்னப்பா உங்க இப்படி நிர்கதி ஆயிடுதே, இதெல்லாம் கிரகச்சாலம் தான்ப்பா. Sadguru Tyagarajan gives a tonic answer to handle such situations. கிரகச்சாலம் தான்ப்பா, ஆனா நவகிரகச்சாலம் இல்லையப்பா, அது அனுகிரகம். ராமர் என்கின்ற திவ்ய மங்கள விக்கிரகத்தோட அனுகிரகம் இருக்கும் போது பாப்பத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆகிரகம் கூட நிகிரம் பண்ணிடுமாம். இந்த நவகிரகம் என்ன பண்ணிடும்னு கேட்கிறார். ராமநாமம் இஸ் a மனோகர நாமம், says தியாகராஜர். அப்படி ஒரு கிராம் தானேப்பா சொன்னேன், அதற்கு இவ்வளவு கிராமான்னு ஓடி போயிடுவா. Such is the bliss of Bhagavan Nama. இந்த சரணாகதி தத்துவத்தை எடுத்து காட்டுறார். Charanagati at his lotus feet could be the only possible solution for any sorrow. Shri Padmanabha Tiruvadi Charanam Sharanam.
Kalaya
Akiranda Koti Brahmanda Nayakan's name, the closer we get to him. Brahmanda Purana has a reference about the concept of Brahmandam and how far away we live from Emperuman Sri Mahavishnu. Brahmanda Purana quotes that there are 14 lokas, 7 above Bhumi and 7 below Bhumi. This has to do with pranayamam. How do we do pranayamam? Om Bhuhu, Om Bhuaha, Om Suaha, Om Mahaha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam, Om Tatsatviturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhuhu refers to Bhulokam, earth. This is where we all reside. Om Bhuaha, Bhurlokam. Om Suaha, Swarlokam, also called Indiralokam. Om Mahaha, Maharlokam. Om Janaha, Janarlokam, also called the Saptarishi Mandalam. Om Tapaha, Tapolokam. Om Satyam, Satyalokam, Brahmalokam. This is where Sri Mahavishnu resides. Likewise, there are 7 lokas below Bhumi. They are Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Tala, Tala, Mahatala, Rasatala and Patala. As per Brahmanda Purana, Satyalokam is where Emperuman Sri Mahavishnu resides. Where do we reside? At Bhulokam. So calculate how far away we are from Paramatma. Maybe I resided in Vishnu Sahasranamam. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane. This means that Paramatma and Jivatma is Nityam. If we chant his Sahasranama daily, we may get one step closer to Sri Ranganatha. Thus, the entire 14 lokams appear to be in the shape of a huge egg. In Sanskritam, egg means andam. Hence, the name Brahmandam was created. We use such words to explain grandeur. For example, how's the Margazhi Utsavam this year? Oh, it was Brahmandam. This entire Brahmandam appears to be like a dot residing inside Emperuman's Nabi, stomach. Vamananai Uruveduttu Andre Vamananai Uruveduttu Andre Irulagam Alarnda Emperuman Irulagam Alarnda Emperuman Vamananai Uruveduttu Andre Vamananai Uruveduttu Andre Irulagam Alarnda Emperuman Irulagam Rishis lived in this earth as Nadamadum Devam, the living God. They have shown us many paths to satsangas and how to cleanse our minds. One may follow Advaitam, Dvaitam or Vishishta Dvaitam, but the ultimate path is one. Idegam Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says in Sikshashtakam, Cheto Darpanamarjanam Bhava Mahadavagninirvapanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Hence, one such marga is Bhagavad Nama Smaranam. Shripatiyana Shri Krishna Paramatma himself says, Nayogi Hridaye Vaikunte Nayogi Hridaye Madbhaktanam Madbhaktanam Yatra Gayanti Tatra Tishta Na aham vasami Vaikunte. I do not reside in Vaikuntham. Na yogi hridaye. Neither do I live in yogi's heart. Madbhaktanam yatra gayanti. Wherever my bhaktas sit and sing my nama, tatra tishta. There I stand and listen Narada, such as the bliss of Narayana Nama. In fact, it is true for this temple. Sri Ranganathan is pratyaksham standing and listening to the Subhanyasam. Once in Pandaripur, devotees were all dancing and singing bhajans. But Pandurangan was standing inside the temple shrine. He could not resist standing. Appo, one thing happened. Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanat Se Panduranga. 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 Janavahi Mane Deva Bolo Ranga. Janavahi Mane Deva Bolo Ranga. Pandurangan began dancing with his eyes closed. Appo, one thing happened. नाचत डोलत देवाचा कलल पीतांबरा नाचत डोलत देवाचा कलल पीतांबरा नाचत डोलत देवाचा कलल पीतांबरा कलल पीतांबरा. As he was dancing, कलल पीतांबरा, Pandurangan Peethambaram fell down. Vithala was dancing with full of joy. Thousands of devotees had gathered on the banks of Chandrabhaga river. Seeing his Peethambaram falling down, Shri Kavirta entered and said, Krishna, please slow down. Savata hoi. All began dancing. This is called Jivatma merging with Paramatma. அப்படி கூவி அழைத்தால் குரல் கொடுப்பான், கை தூக்கி அழைத்தால் கரை சேர்ப்பான். In Kali Yuga, there is no direct avataram of God. பகவானுக்கு த்ரீயுகன்னு ஒரு பேருண்டு. பட் சம்பவாமி யுகே யுகேன்னு சொல்லிருக்கே. அப்போ ஒரு யுகத்திலும் அவதாரம் தானே அர்த்தம் கொள்ளணும், சதுர்யுகம் தானே சொல்லணும். Srimad Bhagavatam has reference in context. Shannaha kalauya abava triyugo tatsatvam Unlike in Treta Yuga and Dwapar Yuga, where Sri Ramavataram and Krishnavataram had to descend to earth and show their human presence as Pratyaksha Avataram, whereas in Kali Yuga, Srimad Bhagavatam says, Sri Mahavishnu resides in the form of Mahans, and that too in Nama Sankirtana Marga. Kale doshanite rajan सीति को महान गुनाह कीर्तना केव कृष्णस्य मुक्ताः संगः परं व्रजे. shloka, Srimad Bhagavatam refers to an irony. Kale doshanite rajan. This means that how much ever buddhi rich we may have, we will have at least one dosha. Asiti ko mahan gunaha. Likewise, how much ever doshas we may have, we will possess at least one wise guna. This Kali Yuga, though has committed several doshas, has one wise guna, which is called Bhagavan Nama Sankirtanam or Smaranam. Sangeeta Pitamahar Shri Purandardasar says, ராமநாமம் எப்படி வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம், தூங்கும் போது சொல்லலாம், நடக்கும் போது சொல்லலாம், குளிக்கும் போது சொல்லலாம். ஆனா ஒண்ணு மட்டும் குறையாம பார்த்துக்கோங்கிறார். அது என்ன? பக்தி ரசமே திவ்யா பட்ட ஸ்வரூப மந்த்ரா. Rama Mantrava Japi Soya means Purandardasar wants us to chant Rama Mantra daily. Shall we chant Harinama while sitting? Kashtapadama, Ishtapattu Solvoma. Hari Mana Tumi Govinda Mana Tumi Gopala Mana Tumi Narayan. Hari Mana Tumi Govinda Mana Tumi Gopala Mana Tumi Narayan. Hari Mana Tumi Govinda Mana Tumi Gopala Mana Tumi Narayan. அப்படி பகவான் நாம சொல்ல there are no rules. இதுக்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ் புராணத்துல இருக்கு. என்ன ரெஃபரன்ஸ்? Both Vishnu Purana, which is the first Purana, and Srimad Bhagavatam, the last Purana, quotes the same. This is the Adi Anta Purana Shloka. Dhyayan krite yajne tritaya vapare archayan yadapnoti tadapnoti kalau sankirtaya kalau sankirtaya kalau sankirtaya keshavam dhyayan krite. In Kritega, Maharishis had Manobalam and Charira Balam. So they did meditations as Yuga Dharma. Yajne Tritaya. Treta Yugathla, Manobalam and Charira Balam konjam koriya ஆரம்பிச்சது. So they did yajnams as Yuga Dharma. Vapare archayan. துவாபர யுகத்துல மனோபலமும் இல்ல சரீர பலமும் இல்ல. மகர்ஷிஸ் நிறைய கோவில் கட்டினா பூஜை பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சா. கலௌ சங்கீர்த்தயா கேசவம் கலியுகத்துல தியானமும் போச்சு, யஜ்ஞம் போச்சு. Temple visits became weekends only. Maharishis இத மந்த பக்தின்னு சொன்னா. Yadapnoti tadapnoti. This means Treta Yugathilum Nama Sankirtanam பண்ணலாம், Kaliyugathilum யஜ்ஞம் பண்ணலாம். As per Veda, yajna by Vishnu. But the simplest form of margam is Kalo Nama Sankirtanam. என்னொரு ஆச்சரியம்னா both Vishnu Purana Dhyayan Kriti and Bhagavata Purana Kalir Doshanati propagates the importance of Nama Sankirtanam in this Kali Yuga. Such is the bliss of Bhagavan Nama. Many Mahans have given us the Nama Ruchi. Sadguru Tyagarajan in the Kritila Parampara ஒரு சொம்பு இருக்கு. What is shombu in English? Jug, huh? Perhaps the Tamil word shombu suits better. At times, it becomes difficult to translate Tamil to English. Shri Tyagarajan in this beautiful kriti says that not all understand the Rama Nama Ruchi. Yanta muddo, yanta sugaso, yanta muddo, yanta sugaso, yanta muddo, yanta sugaso, yanta muddo, yanta sugaso, yavari balla. Varnimpatagu Yavari Ballat Varnimpatagu Yanta Mundo Yanta Sukaso Yavari Ballat Varnimpatagu Yanta Mundo. so Yabari Vallabhanam Vadagure Yantamundo Attamida Kanula Sakudashuri Attamida Kanula Sakudashuri Attamida Kanula Sakudashuri Patula Peshulaidi Tutapaluruchi Tutapaluruchi Neliusanyame Tutapaluruchi Neliusanyame Tutapaluruchi Neliusanyame Urinudo Tyagaraja Tutapaluruchi Neliusanyame Does that jug know the taste of the milk? No. Tuttapalu ruchi teliyu samyame. Daughter-in-law acts as if she was a devotee to her mother-in-law. Tuttapal attamida kanula sakudashu. Likewise, many claim that they are Bhaktas and Bhagavatas of Rama without knowing their Nama Ruchi. Sattva He says that Adiyan Tyagaraja is 100% Sri Ramadasan. If one chants Hare Rama, Hare Krishna with full devotion, even for half a second, Are Nimisham, Anugram Khatinde Irkaram. Charana Kamalayati Are Nimishane Ramadil. அரண்யம்ஷவாதம் சுவாமிக்கு பக்தோட உபாசனை செய்யணுமா? ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன். எப்படின்னா, கடவுள் எங்கே நம்மை பார்க்க போகிறார் என்று தவறுகள் பல செய்து பின்பு முதுமையில் மருத்துவமனையில் சேரும் போது அங்கே காணும் வரிகள் I see you. நவராத்திரி தினம் என்று தாயார் பிரத்யக்ஷமா இருக்கா. During the auspicious days of Navaratri, if we listen to Lakshmi Ashtotram and Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, Koti Punyam. If we chant her Sahasranamam, Ananta Koti Punyam. Swaha, Swada and Namaha Shabdas are vibrant and powerful. Swada, where can you hear Swada Shabdam, Namaha Shabdam and Swaha Shabdam? Namaha Shabdam is from Veda. Na plus Mama equals Nama. In Rudram, Namaha Shabdam comes in both Purvam and Uttaram part. Namakka Kubaya Nishankine Estena Nampataye Namo Namo. Likewise, Swaha Shabdam is used in all Agni mantrams. Also, Swaha Shabdam is used for referring Agni's Patni and Indiran. If we hear Swaha we also hear Swaha during Homams. Likewise, Swada Shabda is used for Pitru Mantram while doing Shraddhams. Where else do we hear Swada? Swada Shabdam is used in Lakshmi Ashtotram. Om Swadaye Namaha. Also in Lalita Sahasranamam. Swaha Swada Madurmeda Angavarum. Tayarna sonna, it reminds me of Amma. Matru Devo Bhava. Mother has been praised as an excellent God form in several places in our Vedas and Shastras by many great sages. Mother is Dhatri, one who bears the child. She is Janani, one who gives birth to the child. She is Amba, one who nourishes the limbs of the child. She is Virasu, one who makes a child a hero. She is Shushru, one who takes care of the child. Srimad Bhagavatam talks about Mother Uttara in its Prathama Shloka. Uttara got married to Abhimanyu. During the Mahabharata fight, Abhimanyu was killed in Chakravyuham. Chakravyuham looks like a maze. Just like how the ball is stuck inside the maze, Abhimanyu was stuck inside and was killed. At that time, Uttara was pregnant. Ashwatthama wanted the infant inside Uttara's stomach to be killed. Having known of Ashwatthama's grudge, Uttara prays to Sri Paramatma Krishna to protect her baby. Krishna took Ankushta Matram. Ankushta means thumb. He disguised himself into a size of a thumb and went inside Uttara's stomach, Uche. Now, Uttara's baby saw another baby inside her stomach and started to test Shri Krishna. Ikshit means to see, Pari means to test. Hence, Uttara's son was named Parikshit. Pari plus Ikshit. Parikshit is a blessed son to have Uttara as her mother. Why so? The word Uttara means pure. Devaki is not Uttara, Kantimati is not Uttara, Kaushalya is not Uttara, and Draupadi is not Uttara. Why? Because Kantimati and Draupadi gave birth to Bhagavatottama. Kaushalya and Devaki gave birth to Bhagavan himself. Whereas Uttara carried both Bhagavan Shri Krishna and Bhagavatottama Parikshit inside her tummy. This makes Uttara even more pure and special. This could be because during the Ramayana, Bhagavan must have felt bad that he had listened to his father's words in Ramavatara. Maybe which is why he wanted to listen to his mother Devaki and Yashoda and must have decided to be born to a son as Devaki. Tamadbhutam balakam. Shastras say, Mata putrasya bhuyamsi karmanya varapate. Which is why Vishwamitra woke up Rama calling Kaushalya Supraja Rama and not Dasharatha Supraja Rama. As per our Veda, when it comes between mother or father, undoubtedly importance goes for mother only. Satyam, I am not saying this. This is in Vedas. Matru Devo Bhava. Apastambar acknowledges this statement. Who's Apastambar? Tappi Tavari Abhivalde Solitona, number Vail Martin River. For example, Abhivadaye, Vaishwamitra, Agamarshana, Kaushika, Treyarshaye, Pravaramita, Kaushika Gotra, Apastambar Sutra, if you are in Yajurveda, or Ashwalayana Sutra, if you are in Rigveda. Apastambar is a Sutradhari, the one who formulates the Veda procedures. Such is the bliss of Tayar. Shoja Kumbham Sudha Purna Kumbham Prasada Valambam Prapunya Valambam Shoja Kumbham Sudha Purna Kumbham Prasada Valambam Prapunya Valambam Sadhase Kumbham Sada Roshta Bimbam Padesharadam Kamajasham பலமோடு நினைக்கிறேன். Before concluding this pravachanam, I would like to sing Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's beautiful composition on Sri Govardhana Krishna. Gondeti sada bajate patimanaraha tasya papam harau iti Bhagavan Shri
Thank you so much, Karthik Subramaniam. It was amazing. இந்த சின்ன வயசுல இது ஒரு இந்த நவராத்திரி உற்சவத்தை வந்து பூர்வமா முடிக்கக்கூடிய சமயத்தில் பெருமாள் ஆச்சரியமா அலங்காரம் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பெருமாள் வந்து அதுக்கு ஏற்ற ஒரு ஆச்சரியமான ஒரு மகிமை, ராம மகிமை இவ்வளோ அழகா சொல்லி சம்ஸ்கிருதம்லாம் அப்படியே அந்த பாண்டினி மாதிரி வியாக்கியானம்லாம் அழகா பிரிச்சு சொல்றோம். ஒவ்வொரு அர்த்தத்தோடையும் ஒவ்வொரு அர்த்தத்துக்கு ரெண்டு ரெண்டு மீனிங் இருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு தியாகராஜர் எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்ற அதெல்லாத்தையும் நிறுத்தி நிதானமா பொறுமையா எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுற மாதிரி விளக்கி. And he is so comfortable with English and Tamil. எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுமோ அந்த இடத்த கரெக்டா பிரயோகம் பண்ணி ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியம். எத்தனை தியாகராஜர் எடுத்த சுவாதி திருநாள், புரந்தரதாசர் இந்த ராமநாம மகிமைக்கு எத்தனை இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இவ்வளோ அழகா அவருடைய ஆக்சென்ட் such a bliss to listen to Karthik Subramaniam's ஹரிகதா காலக்ஷேபம். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சௌக்கியமா நீங்க நிதானமா இருந்துட்டு அவர் மண்டபத்துல இருந்துட்டு ஸ்ரவணம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க குழந்தைங்கள்லாம் உங்களுக்கு பாடுறது. அண்ட் ஸ்பெஷல் அப்ரிசியேஷன் டு விசேஷ். ரொம்ப விசேஷமா பக்கவாத்தியத்துக்கான அந்த வயலுங்க அவ்வளோ ராகத்துக்கு என்ன பாடுறாரோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி ரொம்ப அனுகூலமா இருந்த ஒவ்வொரு ராகத்தையும் ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக கொண்டு வந்து. அண்ட் we really appreciate you having come from like almost like DC, right? You're from DC, and this is really wonderful. And our Nikhil was extraordinary. The Ramanamath சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கும்போது it's such a pleasant thing when the Upanyasika is giving the பிரவச்சனம் and the mood, the tempo வந்து மாறாம அந்த மிருதங்கத்தை அந்த ரிதத்தை லயத்தை கொண்டுட்டே போயிட்டு திருப்பி அவர் திருப்பி it helps him to really get back on board. அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா he gave an excellent accompaniment. ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமான இது. இதே மாதிரி வாட்ஸ் தனியா வந்தனமோ நான் கண்டம் சதுஸ்ரம் போட்டு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்து ரொம்ப அற்புதமா இருந்தது. வெரி நைஸ். இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு கிராண்ட் மியூசிக்கல் சேவாவோட இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஐ ஹவ் noted many things what you have done. I couldn't really catch up with the speed in which you are giving full-throated voice right from the beginning when he started. Such a full-throated voice. How is he able to handle the different ragas effortlessly? Just fantastic. Especially Ramanamathukku Ra அப்படின்னாக்க all the bad thoughts go out, இன்னும் போது all the good thoughts retains அப்படின்றது ரொம்ப அற்புதமான. There's so many things that we learned. I think we will certainly go over the YouTube recording once again to listen to that. ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியம். We request you to really come and perform more and more such thing. And I know you have been performing kacheris in several places, and you should also take Srivari with more concepts we can give you, and then take that up and then give this Harikatha Kavashevam. Good luck. All of you give more and more performances to do this Sangeeta Seva. Perumal and so many Astikas are really waiting here to listen to you. Good luck. We'll just honor you now on behalf of Srivari Sri Balaji Temple. Being a special Harikatha thing. Karthik Subramaniam. We want to give a special honor.
विद्याश्रनो वेदवसूवसभ्याभित्रन्देयन्मित्रदेयन्नमस्तो अनुराधान्नविषा वर्जयन्तः शतं जीवेन शरदर्शवीराः शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषः शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति उत्तरोत्तरभयोत्कैङ्कर्याभिवृद्धिरस्तु समस्त सन्मङ्गलानि भवन्तु.
Swami said he is the Kaliyuga Prahladan. So I enjoyed so much.
Hari.
Visesh.
शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषः शतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति.
Nikhil.
That's probably his fourth certificate.
Fourth certificate, Nikhil. Awesome performance. We will honor the Guru and Mother as well. Shruti Kaitana.
मंगलेरिमधुरिमागम समेत पश्चादा सौभाग्य दत्वा ज्ञातात् संभवरेतना
Father is also there, so please.
मंगल्यावृत्रतु महालक्ष्मी कृपा कटाक्ष परिपूर्णता सिद्धिरस्तु समानं भवतु काकुशदेन भक्षणेन तथा तथा
So this concludes this 2019 Navratri Sangeeta Seva. I just want to give a reminder for the Desika Pranakshatra Utsav that is being celebrated on 12th of October, along with the Tripayam also. So please come by 8 p.m. We will be starting to the ashram along with all the flowers which will be carried individually. You will get a privilege of holding a flower basket, perhaps from the ashram, and then we can bring it across to the Gopal. Similar to 2018, last year we had the performing the Tripayam, which tons of flowers, different types of flowers as we have seen it in the Tripayam. So we hope to see you on October
189
There will be a Swami Desikan Thirumanjanam on Tuesday evening. So if you can come back from work and then witness Swami Desikan Thirumanjanam, please do come.
I just want to thank everyone, the temple, as well as all the Ankarya for our support to run this 9-day program. We've had, to this day, we've had about 14 sevas from different people in the area, different artists. And we were really fortunate to have the complete support of all the Kankaryaparas here. And I only hope we can continue to have such support the following programs and continue to do the same. Thank you.